Tell you what.
I'll tell you what.
Damn kids.
So that's the high level lobby. That's the difference between what we just played against compared to this. All these motherfuckers are running around. Sissy, I want to padlock the battery container.
I can't think straight with all this craziness going on.
Leland's under the tool shed. Yep, he's still there. He's running. Leland's going towards the house.
Can't focus. Need to clear my head.
One's going up the ladder. Anna's at the ladder. That's Connie, I think. Connie's under the house. Going towards the tool shed. Leland's up top of the house. He's up top of the house. He's in the front bedroom.
Oh, sugar. Does that hurt?
Good shit.
Damn kids.
One's under the tool shed. I believe it's Anna. My padlock the battery's good.
I'm fixing to find the old man.
Someone's near Grandpa. Julie's by Grandpa. She's going the well. Julie just went down the basement from well. By the thicket. You can get her. One's going toward, yep, you got it. Oh, Connie's over here. Connie's trying to do right side generator. Yep.
Hey, what's coming
I hit her.
now? Stop. You're moving.
She's poisoned. She's going towards the well, the thicket well, the same way. Julie's still down there as well, same spot. I'm gonna go check left side battery, I guess. Is that me coughing? Or somebody else? Left side is open. Connie did it. Alright. You want me to take my... yeah, I guess I can't do that. I was about to say I'll take my padlock off the other one. Julie's coming up the... Or Connie's coming up the basement of the house. Yep, she's coming up the basement right now. She's right under it. She went back down. There's two of them in the same spot. Julie's down there too. They're under the tool shed. Doing pressure valve. Connie's coming up the ladder. I'm gonna try to hit her. My boy a little slow though, you know. Hey. Get over here, Connie. We need to go shut off pressure valve. I'm trying to get the pressure valve real quick. I'm turning pressure valve off, but I need somebody to help me. Back me up. Probably gonna backstab me. Yep, I'm getting backstabbed right here. Leatherface might get it. He might get it. He might get it. He should get it. Alright, good shit. I'm gonna stay right on pressure valve. Alright. No, Connie's out. You got her? Good shit. One's out by the house. Most likely Julie. I got Julie by the house over here. I'm just staying right on pressure valve. Because if they touch it, it's open. And Anna will get out because she has her ability. This is how you use cook. Oh, one just... Julie just disconnected. She knew she wasn't going to get it. So now it's just Anna. All my padlocks are on. I feel like Anna's... Oh no, Anna's got the most points. I was about to say, I feel like she's not even playing. She's got to be trying to push for car battery, I would assume, right? No, she's right up top. She's right near Grandpa. I think Grandpa's over there. She's going by the ladder. Yep, she's running towards well. You're on her. Oh yeah. She passed out. Oh yeah, she dead. I'll make sure the door's open. Good job, Frozen. Yeah, the one shot bill with Leatherface is crazy.
Another one.
Frozen with the follow. Appreciate it. I don't think you're gonna make it, right? I don't think you make it here. Thank you, sir. Well, 36 points. 3,600. Well, we did get it. It's a good YouTube video. $4,000. I was hoping you were leaving up. Hell no, I was staying there for that one. GG's. Oh, almost leveled up my locks too. Yeah, I thought it was gonna open too. We were so far away. GG's, Frozen. Thank you.